Assalamualaikum and greeting to all of you, medical science. My name is Aimakim bin Muhammad Sain, a semester 1 student from University Technology Malaysia, study at field biomedical engineering. And in today's video, I will talk about rehabilitation engineering. Starting with terms and fact, rehabilitation is a set of intervention designed to optimize function and reduce disability in individuals with health condition in interact with the environment. Next, engineering is the creative application of scientific principles to design and develop structure machine, the practice of manufacturing process or work address them singly or in combination they all as respect and intended function, economic or operation and safety to life and properties. Combining both of the terms and fact that I just shared, we will get rehabilitation engineering. What is rehabilitation engineering? Rehabilitation is is the rehabilitation engineering is the systematic application of engineering science to design, develop, adapt, test, evaluate, apply, and distribute the technological solution and device to assist individual with disability and aids the recovery of physical and cognitive function loss causes of disease and injury. From my research about rehabilitation engineering, I discovered that rehabilitation could be done in multiple ways, such as rehabilitation robotic, visual rehabilitation, and physical prosthetic and sensor prosthetic. Let's go on to with rehabilitation robotic, defined as automatically operation machine that is designed to improve movement in person with impaired physical function. This type of rehabilitation could be represented in two different types, which first assisted robot that is substitute for limb movement. For example, is manual assisted robotic manipulator, also well known as wheelchair mounted with robotic arm that is controlled using chin, switch or other input device. Second type of rehabilitation robot is therapist robot that being called rehabilitator, which robot that we add human rehabilitation process progress from injury by guided patient to perform and practice their movement to adapt their brain to move normally. Virtual virtual rehabilitation. Visual SMI rehabilitation robotic visual rehabilitation using the same concept of adaptive our brain, also well known as motor learning mechanism, to guide our brain to adaptive our body to make of movement as normal as other normal human being. Compared with robotic rehabilitation, visual rehabilitation could be done at anywhere places since it is portable use and it can be programmed with a certain task that could be done with by the patient that will aid their rehabilitation process. Moving on to physical prosthetic. Prosthetic is a device that can be designed to replace a missing part of body, become guide tool to make our body work properly to got affected by disease or badly injured in incident. Common body part that may be prosthetic device is arm, leg, and joints in our body that can be easily being created to implant inside our body without harming any other body part of our. Last but not least, we've gone through a sensory prosthetic. As my ever prosthetic device is only being covered with a sensory device, a retina and cochlear implant to restore some lost function on certain to provide improvements in the communication system. The example of sensory prosthetic device is heart pacemaker that we use to keep the heartbeat following the normal heartbeat. As a conclusion, for my study of rehabilitation is an engineering field that going to help with disability and track connection with the society like other normal people and should be exposed to public on the whole wide world, either daily in city or in a state, they build their trust over modern science medical treatment to help them build a better future for their self. For my self-reflection, evaluation was representing field in my study about biomedical engineering. It include a lot of methods disabled people are making prosthetic device, but also include on making improvement of hypermobility to reach out their average limit, like making a certain device to improve ability to surpass the average limit of making certain move. That's all for today. This is my reference, and thank you. Bye.